Do you know why the rich people has so much money, so much success, so much fame in their life? The reason is very clear. From the field of palmistry, I can tell you with the example that why they are very much successful, and it will be totally related to the videos that I am going to explain. I would request you to stay till the end so that you get a very complete picture why the rich people like Warren Buffett, Bill Gates, Sundar Pichai and other, suppose Elon Musk, why they are so very rich. They are the billionaire of this world, richest people in the world. Why? What is the reason? You can see a very clear things that will be present in everyone's palm. I am going to discuss, and first of all I will like to explain the lines that can be present in your palm too, that can give you a very good success in your life. Om Ganeshaya Namaha, Om Bhagwan Shri Satyabhamaya Namaha, Om Suryaya Namaha, Om Shanishraya Namaha. Viewers, welcome to my YouTube family. If you are new to my YouTube family, then please subscribe to my channel, and please don't forget to press the bell icon, and I would request you to give one like so that it comes as a motivation for me. And always I request you to comment on the inbox so that I can rectify myself and give you or guide you in a more better way. Coming to the rich people lines, why they are rich. So first of all you need to check your fate line. As you know, suppose this is the fate line. As you know, everyone know who are seeing this video or have a little knowledge on the palmistry can know this is the fate line, and it is also called a Saturn line. Now the Mercury line, this is the Mercury line, and next is the Sun line. First of all, these are the three things, these are the three combinations that must be present in your hand. I will not discuss anything related to Jupiter, related to the moon, related to Venus and related to any other lines, because you already know all that, or maybe I will be discussing all that in the future videos. I am going to tell, and the analysis of this video is that why they are rich and why we are not that much rich. If you have this line, this combination of this fate line, Mercury line and the Sun line, which is very clear without any defects, then you are very much sure, or you can be very much sure that you will be a billionaire without any doubt. I can give in a written document that you will be billionaire if you have these three lines combination. So these three lines promises extraordinary success, wealth, name and fame also. And this type, as the fate line is very clear and going to the mount of Saturn, it makes the person very hardworking, efficient, time management, good time management that person can manage. That person have a very good wisdom and knowledge on that particular subject what he is dealing. I will tell one by one the example of the richest person in the world with an example and with their lines in this couple of minutes. As you know, this person is a Warren Buffett, an American investor and a business tycoon. You can see that his palm has all the three lines and pinkish in color and squarish. So this combination makes the person rich. So coming to his hand, you can see he has a very good fate line, clear fate line. He has a good Mercury line. Also he has a Sun line. So it says that definitely this person is a rich person, as everyone knows him, and because of this three combination and also the square hand and the pinkish in color, pink in color, makes this person rich and a billionaire, and he is the topmost richest person in the world. Why he is so successful in investing in stock market, as you know, is because he has a very good Mercury line, and also you can see that the little finger is going above the first phalanges. This is the first phalanges of the ring finger, it is going above that. That is the reason that he is a very good smart person in doing an investment. So this is one example. Second is the Bill Gates. You know Bill Gates. Everyone knows Bill Gates. Why he is rich? I will also explain that. As you know, the Bill Gates and why he is rich, you can also see that he has a very good clear sun line, fat line, and the good mercury line. As the picture is so much zoomed, that's why the lines are not visible, but you can see in the Google, searching in the Google, that he has all these lines. So that is also a combination. Because of that, he is very rich. Another example is this Elon Musk. You know, the owner and the CEO and the founder of the Tesla car. It's one of my favorite car, and if I have the fortune, then I will buy this Tesla car in future. It's one of my favorite car. Although I have never taken ride. Sorry for doing some joke here. So this is Elon Musk's fortune. Why he is also so much powerful and so much rich? You can see that a very good fat line, very good mercury line, very good sun line. And also the mercury finger. You can see that the finger is crossing the first phalanges. That is the reason that he is successful. So as per the explanation that I have given in the beginning of the videos, it is proved that if you have these lines, then definitely things are very good. You can also see the CEO of Google right now, Sundar Pichai, as everyone knows that, everyone knows him. You can also see that a very good fat line, very good mercury line, and very good sun line. So these are the combinations that can make you rich too. You have to check your palm. If you have any doubts, definitely you can come to me for analysis. Hopefully this video is helpful to you and you have enjoyed it, and I would request you to share with your friends and families. If you are new to my YouTube channel, then please subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon and like the videos, and also comment on the inbox how you feel and what should be modified and what you want to know in future. Stay happy, stay fit. Thank you.